Hello students! Today I'm here on my porch. It's just so nice. We have so few warm days in Canada, so I'm just lying here soaking up the vitamin D. Got Bella here beside me. I'll let you see her. There's Bella. Bella's sleeping. I came out here and she came right beside me into the sun. She absolutely loves lying in the sun. I don't know how she doesn't get so hot, but you know, there's shade just on the other side, but she chose to come here. So today I want to talk to you about what's written on my shirt. It says, "Veganphobia, like racism and homophobia, is cruel." So why do I say that veganphobia is cruel? Well, it's because it is a type of discrimination against animal rights activists, specifically aimed at those who are vegan and protecting the animals. And it is very serious because children are being forced to eat dead animals when they don't want to. Now, if you come out of the closet as a person from the LGBTQ community, do you think that your parents would force you to eat dead animals? Would they force you to eat any dead body that you didn't want to eat? No. They wouldn't force you to eat cats. They wouldn't force you to eat dogs. They wouldn't force you to eat any animals. They might not accept you, and they might give you the cold shoulder, and also they might accept you. Many people who come out of the closet as members of the LGBTQ community are fully accepted by their families. Some not, I get that. But it is extremely rare that somebody who comes out of the closet as an animal rights activist, as somebody who says to their families, "I've decided that I'm not going to eat meat anymore, I'm not going to eat dead animals anymore, and I'm not going to be drinking their milk or eating eggs." It's extremely rare that family members look at them and say, "Great, fantastic, let me help you." But they should help you. In the same way as if you come out of the closet as a member of the LGBTQ community, your family and friends should all say, "Okay, great. How can I make you feel more comfortable in the world? How can I make you feel accepted?" So when it comes to racism, it's also wrong to be racist, because you're judging somebody based on their skin color or whatever, their shape of their face, the shape of their body. I mean, personally, I don't even believe in the concept of race. I think that there are so many varieties of skin color, so many different shapes of eyes in the world, and hands, and the distance between eyes, and the jaw size, the lip size. There are so many millions of varieties. There's just people. There's just people. So if anybody is... Guess Bella got attacked by some kind of bug. Hey Bella, you're okay. What was I saying? Yeah, there's just people in the world, and so we should just be kind to everyone and never judge them based on their skin color. That is just wrong. Racism is wrong, homophobia is wrong, and veganphobia is wrong. So don't be veganphobic. If somebody in your family comes out as vegan and says, "I want to defend animals," help them. Don't put dead animals on the table in front of them. That hurts their feelings. It's very hard. It's triggering. Don't offer them a milkshake when it's made from cow's milk. Make them a delicious oat milk shake or a milkshake with soy milk. Right? So that goes for everybody. It could be kids that are vegan phobic too. Sometimes parents become vegan before their kids, and it's your job in that case to be kind to your parents. You know, say, "Hey, way to go, Mom and Dad. You guys are gonna be vegan? That's so cool. Hey, let's go shopping together. I'm curious, maybe I could be vegan too." That should be your response. Now, I maintain that people are all born vegan. Everybody is born caring about animals and wanting to be kind to them. Nobody really wants to hurt animals. So all you have to do is return to your roots. And your roots are that you want to protect them and you want to be kind to them at all times. Don't want to come at them with a knife. It's our nature. It's in our nature to want to protect them, to pet them, and to be friends with them. Right, Bella? She's getting hot now, you see. So anyway, I wanted just to talk to you today about these subjects, about veganphobia, racism, and homophobia, and to encourage you to be kind all the time. If you want help, go to howdoigovegan.com. It's a great place. And subscribe to this channel. Press the notification button, and you'll be seeing more of Bella, and you'll be seeing more of my videos where I talk about other amazing vegans and people who are not vegan and not so amazing. So that's all for now. Take care. Have a great day, everyone. Bye. Do 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 do.